Hello students, welcome to the SwordSport learning sessions on topic forward and backward counting for LKG students. SwordSport is one of the leading names help students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. Let's start. Today we will learn about forward counting. Forward counting from 1 to 10. 1. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 6? 7. What comes after 7? 8. What comes after 8? 9. What comes after 9? 10. So children, have you noticed? While writing 1 to 10, I have started writing from 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. So, while writing from 1, starting from 1 to 10, we call it as a forward counting. So, when we write number from 1 to 10, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, we call it as a forward counting. Now come to the next page. In this next page, what we will learn, let's see. Oh, it's a backward counting from 10 to 1. Backward counting from 10 to 1. Let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, when I asked you to write backward counting, you have to write numbers starting from 10. What comes before 10? 9. What comes before 9? Yes, 8. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 2? Yes, 1. So when we will write number from 10 in backward direction, we call it as a backward counting. Hope you have understood, children. Till then, thank you. Next I will come with the next topic. Thank you, student. Bye-bye.